Hello, hello, it's Deanne again. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make sure that the students are going to see your announcements. Now, one of the things that the student can do is click here on announcements, and I can see that I have an announcement. But the fact that they have to click there to go to find the announcement is maybe a little bit counterintuitive. And what I'd like to do is have the announcement show right up here on my home screen so that the students don't miss it. So I'm going to leave student view here. And I'm going to go into my course navigation. I'm going to pop down to the very end where it says settings. And of my 5 tabs that are up here at the top, I'm going to click on the course details. I'm going to scroll on down. And remember, in Canvas, if you see the 3 dots, the trickle dots, or the options icon, more options, or the gear, it's really good to check that out because it's usually something really good. All right, so I'm going to click on more options. And here I have this setting that says show recent announcements on the course homepage. The default is off, so I'm going to turn it back on. I have the option to have all the way up to 15 announcements on there, probably not needed. So I'm just going to say 2 announcements. By the way, I'm going to give you a little pro tip. We recommend that you turn these 4 options off, letting students attach files, creating discussions, editing their discussion posts, and organizing their groups. It's probably not something that's good for K-12 because the potential of digital bullying can happen there. So that probably needs to be supervised by a teacher. University, it seems like a great idea. All right, so I'm going to click on update my course details, and then I'm going to go back into my student view here, clicking on home, clicking on my student view, and I can see that the student sees that announcement. Now, one of the other things to make sure to do is, as everything in this new environment for students is to really teach them about your course, give them a little tour. So as you add things, make sure to give them a tour. So one of the things to show them is, yes, you have the announcements, but you can't see the whole announcement. It's just like an email. It's truncated. Otherwise, it would take up lots and lots of space. And so I'm going to click on the actual announcement, and now I can see the video that I've added to the announcement. And because the announcement is just like a page, you can add all kinds of things there, your own video that you've produced, maybe a slideshow, etc. So really teaching kids about how to click on that announcement, that it's usually pretty cool when they do that. They will click on them. All right. Have a great day. And as always, if you need some help, just reach out. Take care. Bye-bye.